Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, you are asking yourself probably, Chris, what is it about this title here? Should I sell my Bitcoin right now? Well, my answer might shock you guys. Watch this video until the very end. I want to go here right now into the charts and tell you exactly what I'm personally looking out for, how I am handling this situation, because almost everyone is asking me right now, Chris, should I sell my Bitcoin now that it is looking so bearish? So many things are pointing towards the dump, towards the downside. Guys, hear me out. Watch the video until the very end, and this answer might surprise you, as I already said here. I just literally woke up, not right now, but a little bit earlier, and I'm still in my Bitcoin pajama, as you can see, but this doesn't hold me back of making this video here next to my friends, the dinosaur and also the banana. I hope they will bring us a little bit of luck here, especially when it comes to the Bitcoin price. Let's talk about this here. Let me quickly zoom in and tell you exactly what's happening right now here for Bitcoin on the 4-hourly candles. If you wait until the very end of the video, I will show you a little bit around here on that view. It's really stunning, but of course, content first, that's the most important. You can see here on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin that Bitcoin is still consolidating in between this descending triangle I was talking about yesterday. I was talking about it right here, and we also mentioned that we are here right now at support. And already we have 5 touch points, and of course, this support is getting weaker as the time passes. However, we are still holding it. So Bitcoin is in this descending triangle, and also, as you can see, after the small little pump we got yesterday, or actually today, we got rejected here at the downward sloping trend line. Furthermore, verifying here the support the resistance I pointed out yesterday. So let's go from the smaller time frames to the higher time frames. So we are starting on the 4-hourly candles, and what you can see is that let's take the conservative one. This price target, if we were to break to the downside, would be 36,000 approximately. Would be like 36,300, 400. It really depends on how you are drawing it in. So let me, before I'm going to the bullish case, zoom out a little bit, because what you can see zooming out, that previously we had this rounding top, which is very similar to the one we had earlier, where you also have somehow horizontal support, and we are having this formation here, which you could either entitle as an M pattern right there, or as a head and shoulders pattern. No matter what you say, it's of course not a beautiful one. We broke it here to the downside, as you can see, not today, not yesterday, many days ago. And the price target of that specific one would be, of course, the M pattern price target, or the inverse head and shoulders price target, which of course also is once again a very bearish one, a little bit lower at 36,000. So very close, good convergence over here. And now the question is this even a realistic price target? It is a possible one for sure. Why I want to say, let me quickly see here what's happening with this chart. I can't move the chart right now. What I think personally is that this price target is not the most realistic one. So what is happening here with this chart? So I hope it's working soon again. This is, since I don't know if you have the iPhone 13, but since I have the iPhone 13, I have some problems here. So let me quickly go back, and now let me go back into the chart. Now it's working again. So if I am pulling out this Fibonacci retracement level from bottom to top, from top to bottom, then you can see that actually the price target is below our Fibonacci golden pocket. And right here, at 37,600 to 38,300, you can see we have already significant support coming in, also in alignment with previous support right here. I personally think if we were to break down, this is a more likely price target. So all of these bearish price targets are less likely here, in my opinion. So I wouldn't wait for them. And if I'm zooming in here right now, you can see that if this descending triangle against statistical expectations breaks towards the upside, we would actually reach approximately 48,000 US dollars, a little bit lower, the price target of our previous pattern I mentioned earlier. So now the question is, of course, let me quickly go back here, show you the little animals again. And now the question is, of course, that Bitcoin now broke down, and let me open the store, that Bitcoin broke down so many times. So many times we had actually bearish cases playing out. Why shouldn't we sell Bitcoin today and then buy back in later on for cheaper? I mean, if everything points towards it, let me quickly go back here, maybe go over to the daily candles and show you also what else points towards it. If I am pulling out the EMA ribbon on the daily, you can see this one is flipping bearish right now. Every time it's flipping bullish, right here, for example, we see a massive pump towards the upside. Every time it's flipping bearish, I could show you many, many examples, actually almost every single one of them. Every time it's flipping bearish, we are going lower significantly. So we have so many things pointing towards it, right? Well, what if I told you that you would completely be outperformed by just hodlers if you are always trying to outperform the market by buying and hodling, by buying and selling your long-term holding portfolio? I am holding my Bitcoin for a very specific reason. I know for a certainty that Bitcoin is better than gold. Bitcoin is more divisible than gold. Bitcoin is more scarce than gold. It's more portable than gold. If Bitcoin would reach the market cap of gold, we would have a $500,000 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is already better than gold fundamentally. The only thing which is lacking is the reputation and of course the mainstream adoption. But if we know this, if we know that for almost a certainty we are going to reach price levels like 500,000, a million, 5 million US dollars in the long run, why should we gamble that? Why should we actually sell and then maybe be a victim of something like this happening? Whenever the big moonshot comes, you will be standing on the sidelines. If you are still thinking, I should speculate my Bitcoin, yes, trading wise, fine guys, you can go there, you can trade the breakdown. If the descending triangle is breaking down, feel free to trade it, take some profits at the golden pocket, maybe let the rest ride. If we are breaking down, if we are continuing the breakdown from the head and shoulders pattern I mentioned earlier, feel free to short it. I'm not gonna do it, but feel free to do it. Take profits, make your appropriate risk measurements, but your holding for portfolio should remain untouched. And this is my shocking message to you. Even though highest likelihood we will break down, I'm not gonna sell. And it is not recommended to sell your long-term holding portfolio. Let me know what you think about that, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Let me quickly show you, there's a little bit of wind going on, this beautiful surrounding here. And I'm gonna see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.